Bon, alors Life is Strange, c'est un jeu que auquel j'avais déjà joué. Je l'ai pas fini, donc je connais un petit peu l'histoire quand même. Du début en tout cas. Enfin, je pense que j'ai dû faire la moitié, un truc comme ça. J'avais bien aimé, mais je sais pas, un peu trop de blabla quand même, je trouve, au bout d'un moment. Bon, on va quand même tenter, hein. On va tenter de le faire en stream. Et on va redécouvrir, je crois que c'est Chloé, elle s'appelle l'héroïne. C'est un jeu tranquille, quoi, vraiment pépouze, quoi. Mais j'aime bien les jeux comme ça. J'aime bien les jeux cool comme ça. Allez, on va faire une nouvelle partie. J'ai l'impression que la vidéo... Ah ouais? Attends, on dirait pas qu'on est en 1080 là. Ok. Bon bah let's go alors. Alors, ouais, c'est ça qui est bien dans ce jeu, c'est qu'on peut revenir dans le temps. Enfin à petite échelle quoi, genre sur les quelques secondes. Waouh! Ouais ok, c'est un peu fort là.
Where am I? What's happening? I'm trapped in a storm? How did I get here? And where is here? Wait, there's the lighthouse. I'll be safe if I can make it there. I hope. Please let me make it there.
Ah, j'ai oublié que c'était en anglais par contre. C'est tout en anglais? Ils ont pas traduit le jeu? Ok, donc les touches c'est pas bon. Espérons que ce soit quand même en français parce que ce sera plus agréable pour tout le monde. Je vais peut-être baisser un peu le son aussi. Histoire que ça ne casse pas trop les oreilles non plus. Bon, je me souviens vaguement du jeu au début. Enfin, ça fait longtemps quand même. Max et Chloé. BFF. Ah, c'est une tornade assez balèze quand même.
Come on, Max. You can make it.
Attends, j'ai pas choisi français là? Langue du texte. Ah, du texte. Eh ben, fait chier.
Holy shit. Whoa. That was so surreal.
Famously called film Little pieces of time. But he could be talking about photography, as he likely was.
Okay, I'm in class. Everything's cool. I am okay.
From light to shadow. From color to chiaroscuro. Now, can you give me an example of a photographer who perfectly captured the human condition in
I
black and
didn't
white?
fall asleep, and that sure didn't feel like a dream.
Bueller?
Weird.
Diane Arbus.
There you go, Victoria. Why Arbus?
Because of her images of hopeless faces, you feel like totally haunted by the eyes of those sad mothers and children.
She saw humanity as tortured, right? And frankly, it's bullshit.
Ah, d'accord.
Shh.
Look at this crap. How can I show this to Mr. Jefferson? I can hear the class laughing at me now.
Keep that to yourself. Seriously, though, I could frame any one of you
I
in the
haven't
dark
kept up with my journal as much as I
capture
should.
a moment of desperation.
If anybody else looked at this, what would they think?
Alors, 1er octobre, octobre, mon mois préféré. J'adore le temps et regarder les feuilles changer de couleur, mais il fait encore trop chaud. Merci le réchauffement de la planète pour sortir mon manteau, mes gros pulls, ou les films d'horreur. Bientôt, Kate m'a prêté Le Pays d'Octobre de Ray Bradbury. Je n'ai pas lu grand chose de lui. Warren a failli me retirer mon statut de geek à cause de ça, jusqu'à ce que je lui agite mon exemplaire de Battle Royale sous le nez. Mais il décrit exactement l'ambiance des petites villes en automne. La dernière fois que je me suis déguisé pour Halloween, c'était avec Chloé. J'ai quelques photos qui traînent dans mes vieux albums. Je devrais aller m'incruster à une vraie fête d'Halloween pour socialiser un peu. C'est soit ça, soit une de ces horribles soirées piscine avec tous ces hypocrites du Vortex Club. Ce serait comme nager avec des requins MDR Max. Au moins j'essaie de sortir de ma bulle, je ne devrais pas m'attendre à un changement radical au bout de 2 semaines à Blackwell. Comme mes parents me le répètent en boucle, tu as tout le temps. Ah mais il y a 8 pages. Fallait peut-être commencer à page 1, non? Aïe aïe aïe. Je suis accepté à l'Académie Blackwell. Si les mots pouvaient danser, cette page serait une rave. Moi, je ne sais pas de quoi je parle, je ne suis jamais allé dans une rave, mais je m'en fiche parce que je suis accepté à Blackwell. Je ne pensais pas que je serais si emballé après tout. J'ai grandi dans cette ville, mais quand j'ai reçu la nouvelle du bureau des bourses, mon cœur a accéléré. Je pensais que la lettre dirait désolé, jouez encore. 1 minute s'est écoulée avant que je ne la lise en entier. Je voulais chérir mon ignorance encore un instant. C'est là que j'ai vu le premier mot félicitations, et je crois que j'ai hurlé de joie. Ma mère s'est mise à pleurer, mon père a éclaté de rire. Ils sont bizarres, mais ils sont heureux. Cette bourse paiera mes frais de scolarité et mes parents pourront m'aider un peu. Je pourrai avoir de nouveaux habits et peut-être même un nouvel ordi. Oui, avant que j'oublie, je suis accepté à l'Académie Blackwell. Yes. Ça y est, aujourd'hui je quitte Seattle pour Arcadia Bay. D'habitude, on quitte sa ville natale pour aller à l'université. Moi j'y retourne pour faire mes études. De tous les programmes de photographie du monde, j'ai choisi le plus petit, celui qui me force à revenir dans la ville que je rêvais de quitter. Peut-être que j'avais secrètement envie de revenir pour voir si j'étais toujours ami avec Chloé. J'aurais aimé qu'elle puisse venir avec nous à Seattle. C'est vraiment une ville faite pour elle. Ah, du coup, je me suis trompé. Donc, Chloé, c'est pas elle, c'est sa pote. Donc, elle, c'est Max. Quand on jouait aux pirates chez nous et dans les bois autour de la ville, on imaginait Seattle comme une île légendaire regorgeant de dangers, de trésors enfouis et de café. Mais Seattle n'avait rien d'un conte de fées. Maintenant, l'Académie Blackwell me semble l'endroit le plus exotique au monde. Étudier la photographie avec Mark Jefferson comme prof, c'est le rêve. Je vais rencontrer des étudiants de partout. Ça me changera de mon vieux lycée où je n'ai pas vraiment accroché avec les gens et encore moins avec les garçons. J'ai de la chance de m'être fait quelques vrais amis ici, mais il est temps que je m'en aille. Finalement, peut-être que c'est à Arcadia Bay que l'aventure m'attend. C'est la folie ici, je n'avais pas réalisé combien de trucs j'avais accumulé avant de faire mes cartons. Mes parents sont un peu trop contents que je fasse enfin le tri, même si j'ai surpris ma mère en train de pleurer quand elle pliait mes t-shirts. Ça m'a donné envie de pleurer comme une gamine et de rester à Seattle pour toujours. J'ai envie de brûler tous mes vêtements au lieu de faire mes valises et refaire ma garde-robe avec des fringues d'occasion. Non pas que j'ai vraiment une garde-robe à refaire. Je ne connais plus personne là-bas à part Chloé, et qui sait à quel point on est devenu différente. Je pourrais me faire une nouvelle coiffure démente, me faire un tatouage ou un piercing. Pourquoi pas sortir avec un étudiant en art venu tout droit de Paris ou de Rome. Je pourrais faire ce que je veux, sauf si je me fais prendre. Et je vais avoir plein d'opportunités de faire exposer mon travail. Quand j'y pense, je suis terrifiée mais aussi super impatiente. J'en ai des frissons tout le long des bras. J'ai l'impression que l'univers se prépare à m'accueillir enfin. J'ai hâte de partir. J'ai simplement envie que les choses soient différentes à Blackwell. J'ai écrit de ma chambre sur le campus après ma première journée à Blackwell. Je n'ai pas eu le temps d'écrire ou de prendre des photos depuis que je suis arrivé. J'ai des cartons partout. Ma chambre est un peu petite, mais à moi. J'ai hâte de la décorer. Et je vais remplir tout un mur de photos. J'ai rencontré d'autres filles du dortoir, mais je suis nul avec les noms, donc je ne vais même pas essayer pour l'instant. Je peux quand même déjà me faire une idée de qui est sympa et qui ne l'est pas. C'est dur de s'habituer à une nouvelle école et s'intégrer dans la vie sociale après m'être fait de bons amis à Seattle. Mais je suis ici maintenant et ma nouvelle vie commence. Bonne nuit. Blackwell craint, je ne voulais pas me plaindre, mais bon, la journée avait bien commencé. J'avais passé une nuit sans rêve tellement j'avais hâte de commencer ma nouvelle vie. Comme une débile, je n'arrivais pas à choisir ma tenue, alors j'ai mis ce qui traînait par terre. Je ne suis pas doué avec les noms, mais j'en ai retenu quelques-uns comme Kate Brooke, Taylor, Alyssa. Et comment oublier Victoria Chase, riche, stylée, pourri gâtée. Dès qu'elle m'a vu, j'ai senti son regard du jugement, détailler mes pauvres fringues d'occasion, comme si j'étais à Blackwell pour faire un défilé de mode. Peut-être que je suis à fleur de peau aujourd'hui, on dirait que Victoria se croit dans une émission de télé-réalité. Entre ça et ma timidité générale, je ne pensais pas que ce retour serait si difficile, mais ça suffit, je ne veux pas finir la journée en me plaignant. C'était super de faire le tour du campus dans la brume matinale, j'adore les escaliers de pierre et les murs en briques de Blackwell, tout est une photo potentielle. En parlant de photos, j'ai eu au moins une bonne expérience aujourd'hui, mon premier cours avec Monsieur Jefferson. J'ai d'autres choses à raconter, mais pardonne-moi, cher journal, je tombe de fatigue. J'ai déjà des tonnes de devoirs, c'est abusé, on pourrait au moins avoir un jour pour s'habituer. Mais sur un point positif, je me suis fait un ami en cours de sciences, Warren Graham. C'est un vrai geek et il est bourré d'humour noir et de répartie. Il ramène un peu sa science, mais c'est vrai qu'il sait beaucoup de choses. On a parlé photo, il a même cité des artistes que je ne connaissais pas. On a échangé nos numéros, il pourrait être un bon partenaire d'études ou même un ami. Et j'en aurais bien besoin vu les bandes que j'ai repérées ici. Je pensais qu'à 18 ans je pourrais enfin échapper au drama queen, et non. Je dois faire des recherches sur des photographes célèbres pour mes devoirs. Monsieur Jefferson nous a donné plein de trucs à lire, mais j'adore ce qu'on étudie. Jefferson est super cool et détendu. Il n'essaie pas de faire jeune, il dit ce qu'il pense et il attend pareil de nous. Selon moi, c'est un génie, je veux l'épouser. Je déconne. Enfin, ce cours compense largement le reste. J'ai du mal avec les devoirs, je parie que les profs notent plus sévèrement pour éviter qu'on se prenne trop au sérieux. Pourtant Victoria et sa cour de snob se prennent toujours pour les invités d'honneur ici. Les mecs ne sont pas mieux, Nathan Prescott est la version mâle de Victoria, mais, incroyable mais vrai, plus riche et plus hautain. Sa famille est la plus ancienne d'Arcadia Bay, je me souviens d'en avoir entendu parler quand j'étais petite. Blackwell reçoit un paquet de fric de la part des Prescott, pas étonnant que Nathan se comporte comme si l'école était à lui. Hier en cours il a mis les pieds sur le bureau, s'est mis à envoyer des textos et le prof n'a rien osé lui dire. Si c'était moi, je me ferais renvoyer. Mais Nathan et Victoria sont membres du Vortex Club, un stupide groupe élitiste qui organise des fêtes énormes et on les laisse faire ce qu'ils veulent. Vive la reine et vive le roi. Je ne veux pas critiquer tout le monde, j'aime bien Kate Marsh, elle est jolie et vraiment sympa. Ça la rend plus belle que les poufs ici comme Victoria qui s'imagine que la beauté est une tenue et du maquillage. Et voilà, je me surprends déjà à agir comme elle. Terminé. J'ai enfin pu prendre les photos du campus aujourd'hui. Le ciel était d'un bleu parfait. J'oublie toujours la satisfaction de prendre des photos après m'être arrêté quelques jours. En parlant de photos, M. Jefferson nous a parlé du concours Héros du quotidien et il nous a invités à y participer. Le gagnant remportera un voyage à San Francisco et pas mal d'expositions médiatiques. Tout ce qu'il demande, c'est que chaque étudiant présente une photo. C'est pour ça que je rêvais d'aller à Blackwell et je flippe à mort de participer, évidemment. J'ai 2 semaines avant la date butoir en octobre, ce qui me donne plein de temps libre pour tout remettre au lendemain et angoisser un max. Soupir. Je ne sais pas si j'adore cet endroit ou si je le déteste. J'essaie de rattraper mon retard en sciences, mais j'en ai pas grand chose à foutre en même temps. Heureusement, il y a Warren, je le clonerai bien pour qu'il prenne ma place en cours. Madame Grant est bien plus intéressante que le cours. Elle explique la physique subatomique d'une manière que même moi, j'arrive à comprendre. J'adore sa façon de faire le lien entre la société et les sciences, elle est vraiment passionnée. Pas comme certains. J'essaie de faire un effort de participation, même si ça implique de poser plus de questions plutôt que de m'asseoir au fond. Au moins, je ne suis pas la seule asociale ici. Bon, voyons combien de devoirs j'ai accumulés. Et donc ça, c'est ce qu'on a lu au début. Ok, bon, bah c'est pas la joie, quoi. Bon, ça, on va pas lire. Donc ça, c'est le prof. Ça, c'est la pouf. Et ça, c'est qui? C'est la fille sympa, quoi. Qu'elle aime bien. On va dire sa seule pote. Ok.
And any one of you could do that to me.
My little camera bag is battered but still kicking.
Too obvious?
C'est quand même chiant
What
que ce soit
if
pas en
artists
français. Hein.
chose to capture people at the height of their beauty or innocence?
I can't believe I still have this pencil case. I should upgrade to the 21st century. But I like it old
I
school.
have to admit, I'm not a
I
big
do
fan
love
of
my
her work.
analog camera.
I prefer.
I should take a quick
Robert
picture
Frank.
now.
Me too, Victoria. He captured the essence of post-war beat America. And there was... I believe Max has taken what you kids call a selfie. A dumb word for a wonderful photographic tradition. And Max has a gift. Of course, as you all know, the photo portrait has been popular since the early 1800s. Your generation was not the first to use images for selfie expression. Sorry, I couldn't resist. The point remains that the portraiture has always been a vital aspect of art and photography for as long as it's been around. Now, Max, since you've captured our interest and clearly want to join the conversation, can you please tell us the name of the process that gave birth to the first self-portraits?
You're asking me? Let me think.
You either know this or not, Max. Is there anybody here who knows their stuff?
Louis Daguerre was a French painter who created daguerreotypes, a process that gave portraits a sharp reflective style like a mirror. Now you're totally stuck in the retro zone. Sad face.
Very good, Victoria. The Daguerrean process brought out fine detail in people's faces, making them extremely popular from the 1800s onward. The first American daguerreotype self-portrait was done by Robert Cornelius. You can find out all about him in your textbook.
Look at this crap. How can I show this to Mr. Jefferson? I can hear the...
And guys, don't forget the deadline to submit a photo in the Everyday Heroes contest. I'll fly out with the winner to San Francisco, where you'll be feted by the art world. It's great exposure, and it can kickstart a career in photography. So Stella and Alyssa, get it together. Taylor, don't hide. I'm still waiting for your entry too. And yes, Max, I see you pretending not to see me.
Victoria doesn't waste a second kissing ass. Damn, they have carbon fiber tripods here. The ball head even has a pan lock. God, I'm such a photo nerd. Even her school books are gift wrapped. I can't believe she made fun of me in class. What is she, 15 years old? And people laughed. Of course, Victoria has to have the bestest, newest, most expensive everything. I should have known. She'll have better equipment than Blackwell.
Ouais. Petit prix pour un appareil photo, en effet. Non mais ça, on va pas lire ça quand même. Alors.
That was amazing when Mr. Jefferson took a class picture the first week. Even though I didn't want to be in the picture at all, it was fairly fucking cool to watch him at work framing us. I love seeing Mr. Jefferson's awesome photos on these magazine covers.
Donc ce prof c'est la star, le beau gosse, tout ça.
Amazing. I'd love to see how it reproduces my pictures. I could pump out a whole gallery show with that thing. When I don't suck. Someday. Obviously Blackwell spent bank on the computers here. Looks like somebody was already working on this. Cool.
Yes, yes, yes.
Huh, this might make a cool shot.
Amber et qui? Ah d'accord. Ah oui c'est vrai. Ah oui c'est vrai. Il faut prendre des photos de certains trucs. Rachel et Amber Forever. Alors ils te disent à peu près ce qu'il faut prendre en photo. Du coup ça peut aider. Faut s'en rappeler quand même. Hein. Pas évident.
This is definitely where cameras go to heaven. Oh man, they have those sweet ultrasonic lenses. And look at that vintage rangefinder. What?
What?
So cool to see Mr. Jefferson's actual published pictures. Gives me hope.
Ouais, il prend que des femmes en photo quand même, hein. Je sais pas si t'as remarqué. Voilà quoi.
Kate looks so sad and quiet today. Poor thing.
Hi, Kate. Oh, hi, Max.
Hi Max.
You seem quiet today.
Just thinking too much.
I hear that. Wanna go grab a cup of tea and bitch about life?
Thanks, but not today. I have to go over homework.
No worries. Let's hang later.
Sure.
Elle a pas l'air en forme, elle, quand même. Hein.
Now I wish I wouldn't have read this. Purge.
Cher Kate, on adore ton film porno. Gros bisous, l'Académie Blackwell. Ah. Elle a fait un film porno? Oh. Et pourquoi pas?
I like this panoramic view of Blackwell. Everything looks so green and serene.
Serene? Serene?
Man, he even has the best plasma HDTV for a class monitor. Can't wait to watch some more documentaries on this bad boy. So cool that we can check these out anytime. The Decisive Moment by Henry Cartier-Bresson? That's rare. Annie Leibovitz, mad respect. The amazing Eugene Smith? Good to see Abaddon among the masters. Dali, of course. Lots of people I haven't heard of yet. I guess that's why I'm here. Here's the poster for the contest. Mr. Jefferson really expects me to enter. Why? I don't know if I'm ready for my 15 minutes of infamy. Even in pictures, the forest around here always looks mysterious. You can never escape the lighthouse here.
Ah, le fameux phare. El famoso. Ben merci. What? Ben merci pour le host, c'est gentil. Merci beaucoup. C'est gentil.
Whoa, Mr. Jefferson is not messing around with that monster. He probably paid 20 grand for that camera.
20
I
000
bet he
dollars
gets
ce truc.
pristine digital images. But I still dig my little instant camera. Every time I look at Victoria, I feel like she's talking smack about me. This is ridiculous. I always get so shy and nervous around Mr. Jefferson.
Fallait pas le prendre en photo, lui? Est-ce que c'est lui, ça? Un nœud pape? Pas sûr. Il a un nœud pape, lui? Il n'y a pas de nœud pape.
Excuse me, Mr. Jefferson, can I talk to you for a moment?
Yes. Excuse you.
No, Victoria. Excuse us. I'd never let one of photography's future stars avoid handing in her picture.
I didn't have any time. Way too much homework.
Max, you're a better photographer than a liar. Now, I know it's a drag to hear some old dude lecture you, but life won't wait for you to play catch up. You're young, the world is yours, blah, 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 right? But you do have a gift. You have the fever to take images, to frame the world only the way you envision it. Now, all you need is the courage to share your gift with others. That's what separates the artist from the amateur.
Ça marche.
This is ridiculous. I
Au
always
moins-
get so shy and nervous around Mr. Jefferson.
C'est un prof qui est sympa, quoi.
You didn't tell me how cute I looked yet.
I was about to.
Just getting you
You
ready.
always
Welcome to the real world.
Just cute.
hot.
Then I might send you a special picture.
I'm not paying $150 for
Because Max wants everybody to see how hip she is.
What's the point?
She plays it so shy.
I need a serious timeout in the bathroom. Splash water on my face and make sure I don't look like a total loser.
I hate that class. It's so fucking boring.
She's so fucking shy. She takes selfies with this giant camera.
Ça, je me souviens que les musiques sont plutôt cool quand même.
I shouldn't be so stingy with my blood. These missing persons posters are popping up everywhere.
Rachel Ember. Bon, je vais faire strike moi à cause des musiques, mais bon, c'est pas grave.
There's Taylor, always waiting for Victoria.
Donc elle poufiasse.
I think that's Courtney. She's such a slave to Taylor and Victoria.
Mal aussi du coup.
Ah, the science room. Here's the portal to Warren's brain. Alyssa is always texting, but she doesn't hang out with a lot of people. Evan doesn't say much to me, but his photos are very cool. I hate having everybody see inside my locker.
Pourquoi elle a un
I love
casier
that
rouge elle?
picture of Mom and Dad. Hello, Jack. Kiss, kiss. Andy, you look totally fabulous as usual.
Ah non, il y a certains casiers qui sont rouges, ok. Je pensais qu'il y avait que le mien.
Yes, this poster must stop bullies dead in their tracks. That's Dana talking to, I think his name is Justin. Dana is on my floor too. She's such an archetypal, gorgeous cheerleader. They must make them in a factory. I shouldn't be so catty. Dana is nice to me.
Ok. Elle ressemble à une pouffe, mais c'est pas une. Ça va.
Stella is always deep in her notes. She didn't come to Blackwell to mess around.
Bon, pour se rappeler des prénoms de tout le monde, c'est chaud quand même.
Poor Daniel, he's so nice. I wish I could beat the shit out of Logan. I hate bully jockstraps like Logan. Auntie's a Vortex Club member.
Ok, Vortex Club, on a compris.
I've seen Brooke hanging out with Warren. She seems like his type.
D'accord.
I wish October would last forever.
Donc ça on connaît, ok.
They should just call it a sugar machine. That would be awesome if you put money in there and a bag of sugar dropped out. Don't need a PC, missed the Poetry Jam tryouts, and I did not steal that backpack. That's so messed up. I should contact them to find out what I can do. As if I am. Good thing I left my AK at home. Principal doesn't come out of his office much. Miss Grant is a great science teacher. How many students ever actually memorize all this shit? I guess we all should these days.
Ça sert à rien. Quoi faire?
There's the lighthouse again.
La banderole.
The Bigfoot Stomp. I should develop some school spirit. Go team. He's cute. I like skater boys. Too bad they don't like me.
Ok. Un petit peu amoureuse. Zachary.
Figures Juliet will be dating Zachary. Jocks sucked up in the Vortex Club. There's Juliet from my dorm. Yet another Vortex Club disciple.
Mais il y en a plein dans le Vortex Club.
God, Samuel is such a weirdo. But I kinda like that about him.
Hayden.
There's Hayden, another Vortex Club bro. But He's actually not an ass.
Il faut aller dans les toilettes, elle a dit. On va d'abord aller par là. Trophée.
Blackwell sure takes its swimming seriously. But otters are cute. Go otters. Look at these trophies. Gotta give it up for those Bigfoots. They do stomp. You can really learn a lot about a school by the weird shit posted on the boards.
Bon bah go dans les toilettes hein. Les toilettes des hommes bien sûr. Ah. Bon, les toilettes des femmes alors.
Empty, good. Nobody can see my meltdown, except for me. Now, who would bother to write that crap?
Rachel Amber est une pute. Eh oui. Celle qui a disparu. Et Juliette plus Zachary, Love Forever.
The last time I got a flu shot, I got the flu. Fuck you.
Eh oui. Un peu la même pour le Covid, non?
This poster must drive people to have sex. I'm good to flow, thanks.
J'ai pas des tampons. Ah ouais. Étonnant. Ah mais
The
ça
last time I got a flu
on a
shot,
déjà vu.
I got the flu. Fuck you. Just relax. Stop torturing yourself. You have a gift.
Ah ouais? J'ai un don moi?
Fuck it.
Fuck.
When a door closes, a window opens. Or something like that. Okay, girl, you don't get a photo op like this every day.
Mhm. Alors, 2 secondes. Une petite soif. On n'a pas utilisé l'évier du coup? Ah non, c'est le miroir.
I feel like the universe is taunting me everywhere I go today. It all started with that bizarro dream in class. Am I going crazy?
On va prendre une photo avec ça? C'est marrant. C'est rigolo. Y'a pas une photo à prendre? Apparemment pas. Le papillon.
Whoa, where did that butterfly come from? It doesn't look like any kind I've ever seen before. The blue wings are practically glowing. I can almost feel the air moving around me. The butterfly feels almost like a spirit.
Oh, elle exagère pas un petit peu là quand même?
I remember when somebody punked the alarm last month. At least I got out of science class for that quiz.
Eh, t'es chez les femmes, mec. Dégage de là, pervers.
It's cool, Nathan. Don't stress. You're okay, bro. Just count to 3. Don't be scared. You own this school. If I wanted, I could blow it up. You're the boss. So what do you want?
I hope you check the perimeter, as my step-ass would say. Now, let's talk business.
I got nothing for you.
Wrong. You got hella cash.
That's my family. Not me.
Oh, boo-hoo, poor little rich kid. I know you've been pumping drugs and shit to kids around here. I bet your respectable family would help me out if I went to them. Man, I can see the headlines now.
Leave them out of this, bitch!
I can tell everybody Nathan Prescott is a punk ass who begs like a little girl and talks to himself.
You don't know who the fuck I am or who you're messing around with.
Where'd you get
Ah ouais.
that? What are you doing? Come on, put that thing down!
Don't ever tell me what to do. I'm so sick of people trying to control me!
You are going to get in hella more trouble for this than drugs.
Nobody would ever even miss your punk ass, would they?
Get that gun away from me, psycho! No!
Qu'est-ce qu'il fait avec un gun, monsieur, là? Sérieux, mec?
Whoa. What the fuck? How can that be? I was in the bathroom. He shot that poor girl. I held up my hand. And then I was back here.
As he likely was. These pieces of time can frame us in
I already heard this lecture.
from light to shadow. From
Fallait que je retienne ce qu'il disait, le
Now
prof?
Kate is being hassled again. And if Victoria's phone rings, this is real.
Now,
Shit!
can you give me an
Oh.
example of a
Man, I
photographer
cannot
who
believe
perfectly
this.
captured the human condition in black and white?
Okay, if I'm crazy, I might as well go all the way.
Bueller?
Diane.
Can I
Arbus.
actually reverse time?
There you go, Victoria. Why Arbus?
I did
Now,
it.
Can you give
I
me an
actually
example
did
of
it.
a photographer who perfectly captured the
human
human condition
time
in black
machine.
and white? Anybody? Bueller?
Max, don't freak out. Not yet.
There you go, Victoria. Why Arbus?
Wowzer,
Because of her
keep it
images of
together,
hopeless
Max.
faces. You feel like totally haunted by
On
the
va
eyes of
reprendre un
those
selfie.
sad mothers and children.
She
When I
saw
took my
humanity as
selfie,
tortured,
Jefferson
right?
asked me a question.
And frankly, it's bullshit.
If he does again,
I
I'll
believe
know
Max
this is
is
for
making
real.
what you kids call a selfie. A dumb word for a wonderful photographic tradition. And Max has a gift.
I know I'm not
Of
dreaming
course,
this.
as you all know, the
It's
photo
real.
portrait has been popular
I can
since
tell.
the early 1800s. Your generation
So I
was not
can
the
go
first
back
to
in
use
time.
images for selfie expression.
What if that girl isn't dead yet?
I couldn't resist. The point
Can I
remains
save
that
her?
the portraiture has always been a vital aspect of art and photography for
I
as
need to go to the bathroom
long as it's
quickly
been
and
around.
check it out.
Now, Max, since you've captured our interest and clearly want to join the conversation, can you please tell us the name of the process that gave birth to the first self-portraits?
I'm sorry, but I really have to use the
Ah, j'aurais pu répondre à la question,
Nice
quand même.
try, Max. But you're not going to get away that easy. We can talk more after class. Is there anybody
Oh,
here
shit.
who knows their stuff?
Jefferson wants to keep me
Louis
after
Daguerre
class.
was a French painter
And I
who
need time to
created
save that girl.
daguerreotypes, a process that gave portraits a sharp reflective style like a mirror. Now you're totally stuck in the retro zone.
Sad face.
Very good, Victoria.
What if I rewind
The
again?
Daguerrean process
and give him the right
brought
answer.
out fine detail in people's faces, making them extremely popular from the 1800s onward. The first
Donc faut remonter le temps.
Max, since you've captured our interest and clearly want to join the conversation, can you please tell us the name of the process that gave birth to the first self-portraits?
The Daguerrean process, invented by a French painter named Louis Daguerre around 1830.
Somebody has been reading as well as posing. Nice work, Max. The Daguerrean
ouais, t'as les
process
boules.
made portraiture hugely popular, mainly because it gave the subjects clear, defined features. You can learn more when you actually finish reading the assigned chapters. Max is so far way ahead of everyone. And guys, don't forget the deadline to submit a photo in the Everyday Heroes contest. I'll fly out with the winner to San Francisco, where you'll be feted by the art world. It's great exposure, and it can kickstart a career in photography. So Stella and Alyssa, get it together. Taylor, don't hide. I'm still waiting for your entry too. And yes, Max, I see you pretending not to see me.
Max, you are not crazy. You are not dreaming. It's time to be an everyday hero.
Nice answer, Max. Are you okay? You look pale.
Oh, c'est toi qui as l'air pâle. Hein.
Did we talk at all today?
This is the first time. What's wrong?
I'm sorry, I'm just tripping. Too much stress.
I know the feeling.
And I want to represent Blackwell Academy.
You have just
I wish we didn't. I do have to go, but we can talk later if you want.
I'll see how I feel.
This is just a
Thanks, Max.
there's a road. I don't want anybody to feel
De rien.
excluded from this
On peut lui reparler?
Let's talk later, Max.
to know
Ok.
that this photographic world is
Elle nous met un
not
petit
for
vent.
everybody. I had my moment in the camera eye and
Excuse me, Mr. Jefferson, can I talk to you for a moment?
Yes. Excuse you.
no, Victoria. Excuse us. I'd never let one of photography's future stars avoid handing in her picture.
I'm not avoiding, just
Biding time, waiting for the elusive right moment.
exactly.
Max, don't wait too long. John Lennon once said that life is what happens while you're busy making other plans. Go on now. Don't let me stop you. My moment in the camera eye, and everybody
Oh,
should have
totally.
that chance.
Ah, on
I
peut
only want to
choisir.
share whatever.
Excuse me.
Never let one of photography's future.
Non, genre on peut lui sortir ça.
I'm on top of it. I think John Lennon once said that life is what happens while you're busy making other plans.
Max, you're on fire today. All the right answers. Good. Make sure you finish working on it by today. I have faith in you.
Bah yes. Ah mais là c'est abusé, on triche un peu quand même. On triche hardcore de la vie là.
I hope I have enough time to get to the bathroom. Please, please. I can't tell anybody. They'll think I'm crazy.
On peut l'aider lui?
Daniel, you remember that it's payday? Yeah, payday.
shit.
I know you didn't forget
Sorry,
you owe us
Carlos.
cash.
I forgot for what?
For making sure
You know I don't tease.
I hate that science class with those nerds.
What's that got to do with anything?
Okay, Max, retrace every step.
Le papillon, tout ça.
I washed my face. I shredded my photo. Then the butterfly flew in. And I took a photo.
Leave them out of this bitch!
I can tell everybody Nathan Prescott is a punk ass who begs like a little girl and talks to himself.
You don't know who the fuck I am or who you're messing around with!
Where'd you get that? What are you doing? Come on, put that thing
Ever
down!
Tell me what to do!
Wowzer, it's happening again.
People trying to control me!
You are going
I
to
need
get
a hammer to
hella
break
more
it
trouble
open.
For this than drugs.
Nobody would ever even miss your punk ass, would they?
Get that gun away from me, psycho!
Oh,
Holy shit, I can't let this happen. If I can reverse time again, I can help her.
miss your punk ass, would they?
Get that gun away from me, psycho!
Don't ever tell me what to do. I'm so sick of people trying to control me.
You are going to get in hella more trouble for this than drugs.
Nobody would ever even miss your punk ass, would they? No way.
Don't ever touch me again, freak!
Another shitty day.
That did not happen. This cannot be real. I just saw a girl get shot and then saved her. What the fuck is going on? Do not freak out.
Le papillon il est là.
Hey, do you hear that fire alarm? That means you should be outside.
I had to use the bathroom.
Girls always use that excuse.
Excuse for what?
For whatever you're up to, your face is covered in guilt.
The alarm tripped me out.
Then trip on out of here, Missy. Or are you hiding something? Huh?
Thank you, Mr. Madsen. The situation is under control. There's no emergency here. Leave Miss Caulfield alone, and please turn off that alarm since that's your job.
Principal Wells always looks so distracted. I can never figure out what he's thinking. Does he hate me?
You look a little stressed out. Are you okay?
I'm just a little worried about my future.
You're sweating pinballs. Is that all you're thinking about? You can always be upfront with me, Max. Or have you done something wrong? Is that it? Well, Max, talk to me.
I just saw Nathan Prescott waving a gun around in the girls' room.
Nathan Prescott. You sure?
Yes, he was in the bathroom talking to himself with a gun. I saw everything. He was babbling like crazy.
Okay, slow down. Slow down. So now you saw this without him seeing you.
I was hiding behind a stall. I have the right to be there. It's the girls' room.
I know. I just want to be completely clear what happened. Mr. Prescott happens to be from the town's most distinguished family, and one of Blackwell's most honored students. So it's hard for me to see him brandishing a weapon in the girls' bathroom. So what happened next?
Then he left. I ran out here wondering what to do. Are you gonna bust him?
This is a serious charge. I'll look into the matter personally. Thank you for bringing it to my attention.
That's it? After what I told you?
We'll continue this discussion later in my office. Please go outside with the rest of your class now, Miss Caulfield.
Of course this academic drone won't do anything, since the Prescott family owns Blackwell now. Should I rewind and change my story?
Bon, on va essayer de cacher la vérité du coup.
You look a little...
I just got sick in class. Female trouble.
Except you're wandering around like a zombie. And do you think that's the first time a student has used that line on me?
It's the truth. I felt dizzy in Mr. Jefferson's class.
Just tell me what you're hiding. You can trust me.
There's nothing to hide. I got sick. It happens, you know.
There's that teen toot again. You know, I've heard enough. Don't think I don't know what goes on around here. You've only been here for 3 weeks and you're already causing conflict. I don't think your parents will approve when they find out. Now get outside with class. Please.
No, he does not buy that at all. I may have just flushed my scholarship down the toilet. Yes, I could rewind and actually tell him the truth.
Ouais, je pense pas qu'on lui dise. Il a l'air con quand même. Non, on va pas lui dire. Alors, du coup, on avait quoi à prendre comme photo? Non, c'est pas ça. Je sais pas qui c'est que le Nepap.
Rachel Amber. She looks so hopeful and pretty. I wonder what happened to her. Miss Grant sure is dedicated to that petition. Hi, Miss Grant.
Excuse me, Max. I know everybody loves being asked to sign a petition, but would you do Miss Grant a favor and hear me out?
Sure, I always have time for you. What's the petition?
David Madsen, our chief of security, wants to put surveillance cameras all around the campus. Halls, classrooms, gym, dorm rooms, etc. Blackwell Academy should be a high school, not a high-security penitentiary.
David Madsen doesn't need another excuse to harass students here.
Max, this isn't about personalities. This is about protecting civil rights and our school's legacy of freedom. Blackwell Academy has a noble heritage, from the Native Americans who founded this land to the pioneers who shared it in peace, not fear and violence.
Blackwell is that old? That's incredible.
You should learn a little history about your alma mater. You'll find some fascinating facts. There's a lot of power in this region. I think it helps the creative juices flow around here. Now, before I assign you homework with this lecture, will you please sign the petition to keep our campus from going back to 1984?
Absolutely. I don't mind security, but not pure surveillance.
I knew you were my favorite new student at Blackwell for a good reason.
Élève préféré, carrément. Ouais, bah c'est bon, on a signé la pétition, normal. On va pas laisser passer ça. Hein. Écureuil. C'est pas lui qu'il faut prendre en photo? Warren. What the fuck? On se retrouve à la cafette après les cours. Il me faut une excuse pour pas réviser, s'il te plaît. Regarde Necromantique sur ma clé USB. Mad Max, tu viens, on va faire péter des trucs. Ah non, attends, je dois réviser pour un partiel de physique. Si on trouve un truc à faire exploser, on mesurera sa vélocité. N'ignore pas ce message. Salut Max, tu me rends ma clé USB, j'ai besoin d'infos et d'espace. Hello. Désolé, je suis en retard, journée de fou. Rendez-vous dans le parking, j'ai la classe, tu verras. Je prépare mon appareil à toutes, j'espère. Ok.
Okay, I better get to my dorm and grab that flash drive. Mr. Jefferson has such a gift for different styles.
Pourquoi il veut que j'appuie sur tab? On s'en tape.
I think his name is Evan. He always looks so intense. Evan's portfolio always looks so uber pro. I'd love to see his photos in there. Hey, Evan. Mind if I check out your cool portfolio?
Let's see if you're worthy of it, Max. You'll have to answer a simple question. Who photographed the famous falling soldier?
Alors là.
Isn't it Robert Doisneau?
Oh my. You can't even tell the difference between street photography and photojournalism. No portfolio peak for you.
Je sais pas moi.
Hey, Evan.
Let's see if you're worthy of it.
C'est Robert Capa, évidemment.
Robert Capa, of course. I love his work, despite the controversy about that photo.
My. This quiet child knows things.
That's why I'm here.
You're a kindred spirit, Max. Would you care for a perusal of my portfolio? It's not a privilege I grant to many.
I'd be honored, sir. Evan's portfolio always looks so uber pro. I'd love to see his photos in there. These photos are great. And Rachel Amber's face is mesmerizing.
Rachel Amber, vraiment?
Hi, Evan.
As you can see, Rachel Amber was my favorite model here. She knew exactly what angles worked best with my eye.
What was she like?
She was like mercurial. You know what that means.
Of course I do, you snob. I know, I can be a little diva. What do you think happened to her?
Nothing good, Max. Nothing good. Sorry. I have to get back to my portfolio.
Donc ça c'est là-bas que je dois aller.
Clever. That's Luke Parker. Zachary pushed him into a locker last week. Go bullies. Hello?
Max, I don't feel like talking.
What's wrong?
Nathan Prescott, little rich bitch kid. He thinks he can own people like his parents own Blackwell.
Like he owns the Vortex Club.
Yes, he's a nasty piece of work.
Somebody needs to take that prick down.
He'll take himself down.
Yeah, history always proves that, right? Just wait for justice, you sheeple. Max,
What's wrong?
Nathan
Yes, he's a...
Somebody needs to...
It'll happen. Karma doesn't play favorites.
Yeah, history always proves that,
On a
right?
dit la même chose pour les
Just
deux.
wait for justice, you sheeple.
Daniel is always drawing something. He makes me look like an extrovert. What's up, Daniel?
Oh, hi Max. Could I, ask you a question? Would you mind letting me sketch you? I do put my sketches on Facebook, though.
I'd be honored, Daniel. Makes me feel like a muse.
Funny, you should say that. I was just thinking about my real muse. Rachel Amber.
Hard to avoid her posters all over campus.
Kills me to see her sweet face used as a crime photo. She had a good heart.
You knew her?
No, but once she asked me to draw her portrait. Oh, she was a natural.
So what happened to her? There's gotta be a story.
She just stopped coming to class. Some people said she ran away. Some say she jumped off a cliff. I just hope she's okay.
Okay. Why don't you start drawing me? Even though I must be a step down from Rachel.
No way. You're a good substitute, Muse. Oh, that's a good posture. Good. Good.
Oh, bah, ça va.
Best portrait ever.
C'est réussi. Bravo mec. Cette action aura des conséquences.
Thanks, Max. I'd like to draw you another time if you want.
De me faire faire un portrait, ça aura des conséquences.
There's Justin and his skater posse. They're so cute doing their tricks. Yo, Justin.
Check out the Max. Come to thrash?
Oh yeah? Bring it.
What's your first move gonna be?
Jump?
You're such a poser. If you can't even name a simple nose slide or a tray flip, you should walk on.
Ok.
Yo, Justin.
Check out the...
I came to nose slide. But I'd love to see somebody do a tree flip.
Oh, sick. You're not a poser.
Nah, I just can't skate worth shit.
Oh, check it. We're gonna destroy some rails for you. What do you want to see?
I'd love to see a nose slide.
Let's get Trevor all over that action.
GG mec.
Hey.
You're not really a skate Betty.
I used to be, but I'm into my camera now.
I can tell. We need more girls out here. Rachel Amber and her punk friend used to skate with us.
Attends, mais en fait...
Let's chill later, Justin.
Anytime you want to take some action shots, we're here for you, Max.
Hey.
You know...
On peut pas lui demander de faire l'autre truc?
Not really.
Too bad. It's nice to have the females on board too. Rachel, Amber, and her punk friend used to love skating with us.
Let's chill later, Justin.
Any...
Voilà.
Yo, Justin.
Check out.
No slide.
I came.
On lui a demandé de faire l'autre.
Ah.
Attends, il va se péter la gueule, ce serait bien.
Go for a tree flip.
Let's get Trevor all over that action.
Il s'est broyé les noix, tiens. Il s'est juste broyé les noix. Ah oui, parce qu'on avait du coup une planche de skate coupée en deux. Ah, c'est juste pour nous dire, pour nous donner l'objectif global, on va dire. Bon, lui, qu'est-ce qu'il raconte du coup avec Rachel
I'm stoked to see those photos framed and shit. You're not really a skate Betty, though.
I used to be, but I'm into my camera now.
I can tell. We need more girls out here. Rachel Amber and her punk friend used to skate with us.
Who was Rachel's punk friend?
I can't remember her name. She was hot. Tats, blue hair, hardcore. She stopped hanging out with us after Rachel disappeared. Or ran away.
You knew Rachel?
She used to chill with us sometimes. But one day, she just vanished. I hope she's living the dream somewhere. And if anybody hurt her, we'll get a skate posse and take them out with our boards.
You ever hang out with Victoria?
Fuck that. I'd rather rollerblade than hang out with snobs like her.
Let's chill later, Justin.
Anytime you want to take some action shots, we're here for you, Max. You can watch us destroy these rails.
Bon, c'est bon pour la photo.
I could go for a burger now.
Ah, pareil. Putain, j'ai faim en plus.
I've never seen so many missing persons posters for the same person. I bet the Blackwell founders would shit cats if they saw today's student body walking around like zombies on their phones.
C'est lui le pape. Yes. On a un écureuil avec une canette. J'ai vu l'écureuil tout à l'heure, mais j'ai pas vu la canette par contre.
This is a great image. All those rippling green coins. I hope everybody got their wish. This day has been so insane. Everything is happening too fast. And none of it makes any sense. These visions, this power. I keep expecting to wake up one more time. But if this is a dream, then I'm not asleep. Which means somehow I did rewind time. So there has to be a reason. And I have to find out why.
L'écureuil il est à moitié dans l'arbre là. Petit problème.
That's so cool that Blackwell is doing a show of Mr. Jefferson's work. That's one of his famous shots. I love how it captures the moment.
Ok, il y a plusieurs écureuils. Déjà, c'est rassurant.
Stella always looks so serious and dedicated. Good for her. Hey there, Stella.
Hey, I know you. You're the new quiet girl in Jefferson's class. Isn't he incredible?
I think so. We're lucky to have such a famous teacher, and I actually love his work.
Me too. His New York urban stuff is great, but I'm glad he came back to his Oregon roots. Screw the East Coast elite. It must piss off those pretentious galleries that Mark Jefferson is teaching photography to us Blackwell Hicks. Plus, he is pretty hot for an older guy. If Victoria wasn't all over him, I would definitely make a move.
Victoria is pretty obvious. I don't think Jefferson is into her.
I don't think she's closed the deal, but she's not the only player.
Now, how do you know this?
You have a lot to learn here at Blackwell. Rachel Amber absolutely had sex with him. Well, I heard that from a good source.
Ah bon?
So, you knew Rachel?
Not really. I saw her hanging with the other cool kids like Victoria. Not my kind of clique. But I heard insane stories about Rachel. I'd like to study this photo if you don't mind.
I don't mind. Alors, il y a un drone qui se barre dès que je vais vers lui.
There's Hayden in his Vortex Club harem. He sure is living the dream. Hey, Hayden.
There she is, the retro selfie master.
That's me, all right. You look relaxed as usual, Hayden.
It's a skill one cultivates at Blackwell, especially when one represents the Vortex Club. Not to boast.
What the hell is the Vortex Club anyway? Seems so elitist.
Only if you're not cool enough to get in. And it doesn't hurt your resume.
If you say so.
I do. But you should actually come hang with us one night, then you wouldn't be so inclined to gossip.
You mean hang with the Vortex Club? That sounds like a setup to a horrible prank.
Chillax, paranoia girl. We're not that desperate for fun. We know how to do that on our own.
It seems weird to think about partying with all those Rachel Amber posters up.
You're high. Rachel used to hang out with us too. She was a blast. Smart, not bitchy like, you know.
So you knew Rachel Amber?
I knew she liked to party. Fun to be around. Oh, yeah, and she was hot.
Did Victoria like Rachel? She seems like the jealous type.
Don't think you know Victoria so well. She respected Rachel, even if she didn't act like it.
What do you think happened to her?
Whatever happens to people who disappear without a trace.
Rachel was actually a member of the Vortex Club?
No. Rachel was like her own club. She was actually too cool for us. And I'll deny I ever said that.
Oh, il est sympa,
Really
lui.
want Nathan Prescott to represent?
Oh, please. Nathan is like everybody's voodoo doll. Kill the rich kid. He's alright and a fun guy to hang with. Fuck the haters.
He seems genuinely unstable to me.
Nate has his extreme moments, but don't we all?
I don't know yet, Hayden. Let's talk later, Hayden.
Bye, Max. No, I have to get my chemical on and study. We should get you and Dana out one night.
Putain, il est cool, lui.
Seriously, I have to study for a test now,
Ça marche,
so I
mec.
can't talk now.
Je te laisse tranquille, l'ami.